Hey everyone. Welcome back, your go-to destination for uncovering fun and fascinating facts about the world around you. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Golden State, California. Whether you're a California native or just someone curious about this iconic state, you're about to learn some incredible geographical facts that you've probably never heard before. Let's get started. Our journey through the wonders of California begins with a tale of two extremes. We venture now into the heart of the Sierra Nevada, a mountain range that stretches like a granite spine down the eastern edge of the state. Here, amidst the towering peaks and alpine meadows, we find Mount Whitney, reaching for the sky at a staggering 14,505 feet. It is a place of breathtaking beauty, where the air is thin and the views are simply awe-inspiring. Just a stone's throw away, a mere 85 miles to the east, lies a landscape that could not be more different. Here the earth plunges dramatically downwards into the sun-baked heart of Death Valley. At Badwater Basin, the lowest point in North America, the land lies 282 feet below sea level. The very air seems to shimmer with the heat, and the silence is broken only by the occasional gust of wind. That such extremes can exist in such close proximity is a testament to the dynamic nature of California's geology. These 2 points, Mount Whitney and Badwater Basin, represent the very soul of California, a land of contrasts, a land of extremes. California boasts a remarkable diversity of landscapes, from snow-capped mountains to sun-drenched beaches, from verdant forests to arid deserts. It's no wonder then that this state is home to more national parks than any other in the United States. 9 in total, each one a jewel in California's crown. Yosemite, perhaps the most famous of them all, needs little introduction. Its towering granite cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and giant sequoia trees have captivated visitors for generations. California's national parks are not just places of beauty, they are also vital havens for wildlife. Our journey through California now takes us to a place where the earth itself is on the move. The San Andreas Fault, a scar that runs for over 800 miles along the state's length, is a constant reminder of the powerful forces that shape our planet. This fault line marks the boundary between 2 of the Earth's tectonic plates, the Pacific Plate and the North American Plate. These plates are in constant motion, grinding past each other at a rate of about 2 inches per year. The San Andreas Fault is also responsible for California's infamous earthquakes. As the plates grind past each other, they sometimes get stuck, building up tremendous pressure. When this pressure is finally released, the result is an earthquake. From the rugged peaks of the Sierra Nevada, we descend now into a very different landscape, the Central Valley. Stretching for over 450 miles, this vast plain is one of the most productive agricultural regions on Earth. Here, the soil is rich and fertile, nourished by the waters of the Sierra Nevada snowmelt. From almonds and grapes to tomatoes and lettuce, the Central Valley produces over 250 different types of fruits, vegetables, and nuts. In fact, this region alone produces about a quarter of all the food consumed in the United States. But it is also a reminder of the challenges we face in balancing our need for food with the need to protect our environment. High in the Sierra Nevada mountains, nestled amongst towering peaks, lies a body of water so blue, so clear, that it seems to belong to another world. This is Lake Tahoe, the largest alpine lake in North America. Formed by glaciers millions of years ago, Lake Tahoe is a place of breathtaking beauty. Its crystal-clear waters reflect the surrounding mountains like a giant mirror, and its shores are fringed by forests of pine and fir. But Lake Tahoe is more than just a pretty face. It is also a place of immense ecological importance. Its waters are home to a unique array of plant and animal life, including the threatened Lahontan cutthroat trout, a species found nowhere else on Earth. Pollution from development and runoff from surrounding areas is threatening the clarity of its waters. Protecting Lake Tahoe, this jewel of the Sierra Nevada, will require a concerted effort from everyone who cares about its future. From the cool, clear waters of Lake Tahoe, we journey now to a landscape of a very different kind, the Anza Borrego Desert State Park. Located in Southern California, Anza Borrego is a land of extremes. Temperatures here can soar to over 120 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and plummet below freezing at night. But don't let the harsh conditions fool you. Anza Borrego is far from lifeless. In fact, this desert is home to a surprising diversity of plants and animals that have adapted to thrive in this harsh environment. And every few years something truly magical happens in Anza Borrego. When conditions are just right, the desert bursts into a riot of color. The Anza Borrego super bloom is a reminder that even in the harshest of environments, life finds a way. Our final destination on this journey through the wonders of California takes us deep into the heart of Redwood National and State Parks. Here, in a realm of towering trees and hushed stillness, we encounter the largest living organisms on Earth, the giant sequoias. These majestic trees, some of which are over 2,000 years old, stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. Redwood National and State Parks are home to some of the tallest trees on Earth, including Hyperion, the current record holder, which towers over 379 feet tall. The giant sequoias are not just impressive for their size, they are also incredibly resilient. Their thick bark, which can be up to 2 feet thick, protects them from fire, insects, and disease. And their shallow roots, which spread out over a wide area, help to anchor them against the strong winds that often sweep through the forest. But today, the giant sequoias are facing a new threat: climate change. Protecting these ancient giants, these living monuments to the past, is a challenge that will require a global effort. And there you have it. 7 fascinating geographical facts about California. From towering mountains to scorching deserts, from fertile valleys to ancient forests, California is a land of incredible diversity and wonder. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, Simple Trader, and I'll see you in the next adventure.